Good day to everyone. Yes, it's me, Jom. So yes, this is another trip. Of course, we're going to Manila as of this tonight, January 18, 2024. So it's been long time since I had my international flight. So tomorrow yon. So ngayon, punta muna namin sa Manila and then gitshoot ko muna si mother since they are going to hatid-hatid us to the airport. So during our airport sessions, supposedly dapat mga later na kami pupunta dito pero alhamdulillah napaaga and fortunately ha kasi mahaba yung pila so at least we have plenty time na pumunta doon or mag-wait while the crowd is up pa. So somehow we were not expecting na ganito pala karami na may yung mga nagtitake ng flight during night. So it's a good thing to know and good thing na meron kami mga maraming kasama. So yes, I'm so excited and worried and a lot of feeling or mixed feeling yung nafe-feel ko at that moment. Kasi syempre, you're going to travel for almost days. So mapapalayo kami sa sariling bahay. So yun, dumating na kami ng Maynila and I'm so very thankful in the sense na my cousins hati us to our condos. So yan ang lola ninyo, feeling talaga na lakotsera talaga naman at that moment. And shout out to Ate Elsie. Hi Ate Elsie. Yes, I'm very thankful to her kasi naman yung almost lahat ata ng things para sa travel is siya na yung arrange, especially yung bookings, yung flight namin, and then of course yung itinerary namin, and it is a very smooth sailing. Sabi ko nga kay Ate Elsie, why not you try to create a travel agency? Kasi naman, maganda yung pagka-arrange niya and all planned out well. So anyway, we are here in our condo talaga. One palm tree villas. So we stayed here for a night kasi syempre we were going to travel tomorrow, of course, on December 19. So kailangan namin ng good rest that night. Anyway, dumating na kami dito mga around past 1 or 12 na, more or less past 1 na siguro. So yun, for amount of more or less 2,000. So nakamura na kami kung i-divide namin yan sa both of us. So condo na to, so sulit na yung pag-stay here and the stay here is very comfy and very malinis of course. And Papay is our almusal today. So I was wondering bakit wala si Iligan at Cagayan de Oro ang Popeyes kasi most likely they are somehow same with McDonald's and Jollibee. O baka naman hinghintay ako, char. So anyway, early in the morning, lumabas na kami sa aming hotel, of course, and then buti na lang yung gi-reserve ni Ate Elsie na hotel is near at NAIA Terminal 3 kasi it will take you mga ilang minutos lang, then nandun ka na sa Terminal 3. Of course, international flight, we have to be early as much as 4 hours before the flight kasi yun na nga, yung kinukonsider natin yung pila, especially doon sa mga baggages, na minsan pagkahaba-haba yung pila, so kailangan mo talaga maging early doon. 4 hours or if ever kaya, better kung mas yung allotted time is mas marami. Of course, so yung pagdating namin doon, kahit paano, medyo okay yung mga people. So we really tried na pumila doon. Then we took like siguro an hour or half an hour. So it was all good kasi naman medyo mahaba pa yung time namin before the boarding time. So our boarding time was 1:15 p.m. So since we've done the immigration and the customs, so nakapasok na kami. So we did our lower prayer since that was Friday. So our flight is 5J828. So somehow medyo kabado tayo pero somehow excited din kasi syempre international flight din. Then it was after COVID. The last time I traveled was last 2017 ata with my friends. Yes, since ang lola niyo gutom, so mayroon pa siyang natirang Popeyes na food. Syempre, So, yes, if ever anyone who is interested to go to Japan, of course, we need visa here. So you need to contact a travel agency that is connected to Japan Embassy. So as for me, I did contact Discovery Tour Incorporated, who that is located in Manila. So their fee is 1,200 fee for the single entry and 1,500 for multiple entry. So as for me, pinili ko muna is yung single entry, which is 1,200, and of course we will have an additional ng 300 para sa pouch pagbalik ng passport mo, kasi yung passport mo yun lang yung babalik sa inyo, kasi yung other requirements and stuff, yung original mo, they will have that. They will have those. So yes, so hello Osaka. So we are here now in Osaka, and that is Haruka's. So yan yung magiging sa sasakyan namin chart going to the Osaka Hinamba. So, yes, I was so excited that moment kasi alam mo yung it's been years. So, ang napansin ko talaga is yung lamig ng panahon kasi at that time it's winter. So, it will be my first time experiencing a winter weather. So, now we are here now in our accommodations, weekly garden in Namba. Yes. So, we will be staying here for 3 days. So, mura na siya itong accommodation namin. It's a bit of creepy thingy. Pero, ox lang kasi accommodation, sulit na kasi ito. Tapos, it's a typical Japanese room na very minimalist. Talagang maliit siya, pero very comfy and very, very clean naman yung area nila or area ng aming accommodation. So, kung iisipin ko magkano to, 1,092.12 na yung gastos namin dito individually in 3 nights. Yes, so masasabi natin sulit na yon kumpara sa mga other hotels in Osaka na malapit sa Dotonbori or malapit sa city. So etong if ever gusto niyo mag-Osaka moment, pwede kayo magstay here in a budgeted budget thingy. So, syempre, after resting a bit, we went to 7-Eleven. Yan yung maging best friend namin while staying in Japan.